What if I told you that every time you type the same AI prompt again and again, analyzing product specs, summarizing long articles, or comparing shopping deals, you are literally wasting hours every single week? Now what if you could turn your best prompts into one-click tools inside your browser? No copy-paste, no retyping, no opening different apps. Sounds like a power user's dream, right? Well, Google just made it real. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how Chrome's new feature called Skills works, step by step, with a live demo. Let's dive in. If you use AI in Chrome, like Gemini, you already know a common problem. You open a web page, you type, summarize this article in 5 bullet points. Great, you get the summary. Then you open another page, and you have to type the exact same prompt again, then another page and another. That constant retyping breaks your focus, kills your productivity, and honestly, it feels like the AI is making you work harder instead of smarter. But that problem was not your fault. It was a design limitation until now. On April 14, 2026, Google launched a new feature called Skills, built directly into Gemini inside Chrome. Here is the simple idea. You save a prompt once, and then you run it with one click on any page, anytime. No retyping, no searching your chat history. Just type a slash or click the plus button, select your saved skill, and Gemini runs that exact prompt on the current page. But wait, it gets even better. A skill does not have to run on just one tab. You can select multiple tabs, for example, 5 different product pages, and the skill will run across all of them at the same time. That means you can compare specs in seconds, scan multiple documents for key information, or analyze ingredients across recipes instantly. Your browser just became an AI-powered workflow machine. Let me show you exactly how to do this step by step. First, write a prompt normally. Let's say you are on a recipe page, and you ask, Gemini, list all ingredients that are not vegan and suggest substitutes. Second, save it as a skill. From the chat history, you click Save as Skill and give it a name like Vegan Converter. Third, use it later. Now go to any other recipe page, type slash in Gemini, select your Vegan Converter skill, and click Run. That is it. The same prompt runs instantly on the new page. Fourth, try the multi-tab magic. Open 3 different product pages, type slash and choose a skill called Best Value Comparison. Select all 3 tabs. Gemini compares prices, features, and ratings in one single response. There is also a bonus feature. Google gives you a ready-made library of pre-built skills. For example, pick a gift based on budget and interests. Scan this document for deadlines and action items, or explain this topic like I am a beginner. You can add any of these to your collection with one click and edit them anytime. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Can a skill send an email without asking me? Will it book a calendar event automatically? These are great questions. Google built confirmation gates for high-impact actions. If a skill tries to send an email, create an event, or do anything irreversible, Chrome will ask for your permission first before running that action. Skills also use the same security model as regular Gemini prompts, including automated red teaming, which tests for risks, auto updates, and no special access to your personal data beyond what you allow, so you stay in control. That is not just good design, that is necessary for agent-based workflows. You might be wondering why iGridLab is covering this feature. It is because this is not just a browser trick. This is the first real step toward browser-level AI agents. Think about it. Reusable prompts mean persistent workflows. Multi-tab reasoning means agent-like behavior. One-click execution means automation without coding. If you follow AI tools and robotics, you know that agents are the next big wave. And Google just quietly put an agent-building tool inside the world's most popular browser. For robotics updates, imagine saving a skill that compares robot specs across 10 tabs. For AI tools, imagine running a check for pricing changes skill every morning. This changes how we interact with the web. So here is what I want you to do right now. First, open Chrome Desktop on Mac, Windows, or Chrome OS. Second, make sure your language is set to English US, because it is required for now. Third, go to any web page, open Gemini, write a prompt you use often, and save it as a skill. Try the multi-tab feature. Try the ready-made library. Then come back and tell me in the comments what is the one skill you are going to build first. If you found this video useful, hit that like button because it really helps this channel grow. Subscribe to iGridLab for more updates on new AI tools, Chrome features, and robotics news. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep building smarter workflows. Thanks for watching.